Hello students, have a nice day. Today I would like to explain copying of the Western culture. Today we are very happy to give up our culture, especially in UP, MP or Bihar. Young men are educated students, educated men are very happy to give up their cultures, customs. But in South India, every educated person does not want to give up his customs and cultures. Nowadays, we have become a blind supporter of Western culture. It is now more than 70 years when the British left our country and we become a free nation. We got freedom on 15th August 1947. But sadly, the West ill dominates our way of life and thinking. The children of new generation copy everything that they find in the Western culture. They copy their fashion in dress, their music, their dances, and even their habits of food. By doing so, they think that they can give an impression of being modern. But to me, the fact is quite opposite. By copying Western culture, they do nothing but give an impression of being thick-headed downs. They have gone so crazy for the Western style that they have forgotten all about their own culture and traditions. They don't know what Holi or Diwali is, but they know all about the Valentine's Day. They would hardly ever visit a temple, but would never miss visiting a bar or coffee house. They prefer fast and junk foods to the fresh and pure good cooked at home. Hellos and byes have taken the place of respectful namaste in the name of liberalism of modernism. All senses of shame and decency has been thrown to the winds. The younger generation must remember that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This point should must be kept in the every educated mind, that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When in Western countries people were wandering in foreign, then we have established 2,000 gurukuls, and thousand students were reading there, were studying there. That's all for this period.